I don't know why did I come here. I should go. Is that Stormbreaker? I don't think it was. Hey. Thor! It's been a while. I'm sorry, who are you? Oh. We've never met? I don't think so. I'm one of Tony Stark's Iron Man friends. Just take me to him. Okay. So where's this God of Thunder at? Guys, he's right here. Who are you? My name is Batman. Never heard of you. I've never heard of you either. You sound like a made-up character. You're the knockoff of Zeus. Actually, no, I'm not. And move away. Stark! Thor, what's up? It's been a while. Where's Monia? Are you disrespecting my beloved Monia Hammer? No. We already discussed this. We can never shame your Monia Hammer or even disrespect it. That's fine, Stark. I've moved on to bigger and better things. Now Stonebreaker that I've had for a couple years, remember? Yeah, I remember. Little Stonebreaker. So, what's up with the outfit? Oh yeah, I got a mask. I kinda wanted to fit in. Mostly everyone in the Avengers had masks. What the fuck are the Avengers? Earth's mightiest heroes. Were you in it? No. Yes, you were. No. Yeah, I've never heard of Spider-Man. Really? I really thought you guys met. No. So what's up? What is this creature? This creature's the one that made you come here. Oh, Fifi. Okay, move aside. Yeah, make the serum. Okay. What serum? There's some guy. I was stuck to say he's more smarter and richer than all of y'all. Oh, you want to talk rich? Shut up, God! You're so annoying. Fuck you, then. So look, there's this guy named Wolf Freeman Reigns. Hold up. We defeated Ultron. We defeated my brother Loki. And now we're talking about Wolf. Stark, you have fallen off big time. No, I haven't. Oh, yes, you have. You saved New York from billions of things. But now when it comes to wolves, you can't do shit. Not exactly, but look. Like, maybe 1.5, maybe 2 years, some innocent guy named Raymond Ray turned himself to a wolf because he drank a serum, and now he's gonna try to revert the serum, and he kicked all 3 of our asses. God save the ball. You've never clarified who you are. I am the God of Thunder, King of Asgard, son of Odin. Sadly, he's dead, passed away. Oh, you have a dad named Odin. Very cool. Well, let me guess, your father also died. Yes. Very tragic. Whoa, cool. My father also died. You want to make it a competition? No. So look at this. Me and Iron Man, were the Earth's mightiest heroes. Now we can defeat wolves. God, we have fallen off. We have truly fallen off. Spider-Man, God, you make me mad. God, just scratching my hair. Let's see. Where is this guy? Isn't this evil lair? Oh, now he's an evil lair. Great. Oh God. Let me just think for a sec. So, Stock. Let me talk for you a sec. Hey, guys. He's a real piece of shit. Yeah, I know. Guys, I'm almost done with the serum. Great. Go. Okay. I'm ready. Okay, so what's the deal? Okay. What happened? I don't know. But look. Thor, we now have Thor. Now, supposedly this will be easy, right? Mm-mm. He's most likely gonna turn into the wolf, and you know wolf is big deal. But we defeated him before. Could defeat him again. That's what we said. But now we can't beat him. We're thinking too much. Yeah, I know. So let's go. Let's kick his ass again. Let's go. God. Hey, you're not cool, man. Where the reptile at? He's not here anymore. What did you do to him? Don't worry about it. So cold. I don't know. Hey, non-Wolfman, they were nice to us. Now you had to ruin it, you piece of shit. I'm the one that made you talk. They want you to be back to normal. I'm the one that's trying to protect you guys. But you guys don't understand. Man, I do understand. I love them. I miss Spider-Man. Oh, you bitch. I'm gonna hit you. Give me this arm. Wait, what do you... You my arm. My arm, you twisted it, you psychotic fuck. Shut up. Just let it happen. Let what happen? Duh! This is animal abuse, man! Oh, my arm. How dare you, man? Shut up. Go over there. Man, not fair. Oh, you trying to hide? It's okay. I won't do anything. Come here! Finally went to sleep. Now, I'm going to do something. What is that noise? Who are you talking to? No one, man. I'm not talking to no one. So you mind your own damn business. Because Spider-Man definitely is not behind that pillow. Oh. Wait, he told me it's not. Oh no. He's definitely on the pillow. Yep. Hide. Move away. No, man. Not doing that. Move away. Yeah. No! I'm gonna see if he's actually. Hey, buddy. I have to beat you guys in. Oh! Boom in la bolita. Oh! Ah, right in the balls. Oh, balls. Ah! Oops. God. Maybe you should have came alone. Ah! Oops. Man, too easy. The hell was that? This is the guy. Who are you? I'm Thor, son of Odin, king of Asgard, god of thunder. What? Ah! Boom! Oots! Ah! Ah! Bah! Give me the hammer. Oh! Oh! Give me the hammer. I said, give. Oh! Ah! Bah! 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 Damn, you easy, man. Shut up, monkey. So, this is the person you were, well, getting your ass kicks. You guys are fucking bums. Stop! Oh, great, he's a wolf now. Ah! Hey. What the ball? Ah! Wait. Stop! Stop! Wait. Stop! Stop! Boom! Come here, Stoneberger. It's time for Stonebreaker. Have some fun. Yeah! Have some fun. Come on. Cool lightning. Stand down. Ah! Ah! Apple. Get off of me! Come on. Get off! What's going on? Rima, yoga! Rima! Stop! Stop! Enough! You made me come here to help you. I'm helping. We're not trying to kill him. So what are you trying to do? I don't know. We're trying to help him. Oh, really? Is the serum done yet? Yeah. Oh, great. Will you help? 'Cause I'm done with this. I'm out. How do we put him in the same body? Minion. Do you know how to do this? Come here. You okay? Come on, guys, let's get into the place. We're here. Okay, where's the serum?
It's already here.
What is that?
It's gelatin. If he eats one little bite,
Well,
the goddamn wolf is gone.
okay.
Here's spoon. Here's spoon. Here. One little bite.
Oh, what? Oh. Pretty good gelatin. Pretty good. You feel any change? There's no more noises. I feel normal. Spider-Man. Yeah. Go fuck yourself. And you're arrested. Oh. Yeah, so take him to jail.